Hey all, welcome back to SLB Basement Bourbon Bar. I am Kurt Luddington, your resident host and bartender. Today we're going to be mixing up one of my favorite, and I know I say that a lot, but one of my favorite. Today we're going to be mixing up a fantastic tropical cocktail called the Chartreuse Swizzle. We'll get into it in a little bit, but it has some herbal flavors and some tropical flavors, and when it comes together it looks great and it tastes great. So before we do that though, please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. Once you've done that, hit that notification bell. That way you won't miss a single episode of the show. We would also appreciate it if you would leave a comment below. That'd be great. All right, let's get into the cocktail. It's not that many ingredients and it's not that tough, so it should be pretty easy to make. We're going to start with 3/4 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. After that, we're going to put in 1 ounce, a full ounce of freshly squeezed, fresh pineapple juice. All right, we're going to go to this Velvet Falernum. This Velvet Falernum is used in a lot of tiki style cocktails. It's clove, a little bit of almond, lime, liquor. It's really nice. We only need a half ounce of Velvet Falernum. And the main spirit of the cocktail will be this Green Chartreuse. And we're gonna put in 1.5 ounces of the Green Chartreuse, and this is where you're gonna get the herbal flavors that'll come through in the cocktail. It's from this Green Chartreuse. 1.5 ounces. We're gonna get some ice in the tin, and we're gonna give it a shake. All right, that should do it. I have a rocks glass here filled with ice, ready to go. We do not need to double strain since we're pouring it directly into a glass of ice. That looks good. Now, with these kind of cocktails is when you can have a lot of fun with the garnish. You can come up with 100 things, but what I have ready for you is I have a couple of pineapple fronds. You can cut these right off the top of a fresh pineapple. We're going to stick those in right here. And I also have a smaller bunch of mint that we're going to put in right over here. How's that look, Trent? Pretty good? Beautiful. That does look pretty awesome. That is the Chartreuse Swizzle. Man, that tastes great. The biggest thing with this cocktail, when you pick it up and take a sip, you're going to get a nose full of the mint and some of the freshness that come off that pineapple fronds in your garnish. But also you're going to get a big tropical style cocktail with a little bit of herbal notes to it. It's really, really good. Thank you for watching. We certainly appreciate it. You can find us on Facebook, SLB Basement Bourbon Bar. You can also hit us up on Instagram at SLB Drinks. Whatever you do though, we always ask you to please drink responsibly. See ya.